Laura Heigl with Century 21 Sheets, and today I'm in Stonegate, a fabulous neighborhood in Zionsville, and I have the pleasure to speak with two attorneys from Bays Family Law. One of the things I love about Stonegate is the businesses that are here and the overall community, and so instead of me telling you about Bays Family Law, I am going to ask the two attorneys here, Donna and Jennifer, to do so. So will you please introduce yourselves and tell us about the law firm?
I'm Donna Bays. My practice mostly consists of things like child custody, divorces, paternities, lots of child-related work, and it's a perfect place.
And I'm Jennifer Bays Biner, and I also do the child custody related matters like Donna, but I also do some estate planning, probate work as well.
Everyone needs an attorney for something. One of the great things about Zionsville and one of the great things about Stonegate, this is convenient to everything, and people in the community can walk down the street. But for that matter, if I were in the village of Zionsville, it's only a 3-minute drive to get here to your law office with this community feeling. What's it like to work here in Stonegate?
It is so peaceful. Our clients are often emotionally upset. They're going through something that's really hard. And here, it's just,
When I come into work, people are walking their children to Stonegate Elementary to go to school, and around 3 o'clock, the middle schoolers from Zionsville West are riding their bikes back into the neighborhood to go home, and it's a community here, but it's also very open to the rest of the metro area. And part of the reason we actually chose Stonegate, because we were looking all over Zionsville, is a close access to I-65. So it allowed us to get downtown if we had hearings downtown, or our bar associations, which are groups of lawyers. Most of those are headquartered in Indianapolis downtown, and we needed to be able to get to and from the state capitol pretty easily. And it's a quick 25-minute drive from Stonegate to be downtown, which is really helpful.
That is really helpful. So you are what I would call a boutique law firm. And I love that because it's personal and it's one-on-one. Is it the two of you in here as attorneys, or are there other attorneys?
We're the only attorneys. We have a couple paralegals as well. The thing is, we like, you saw our littles running around.
Yeah.
We bring our dogs to work with us every day. And if you look, this is a dog-friendly neighborhood. And the people who live here must have the best groomers, because these beautiful dogs are out almost whenever the weather is good, I swear.
Right. So one of the things I loved when I came in here is there was a dog that greeted me, and they actually have a therapy dog here in the office. And because oftentimes law can be emotional, and there are lots of things going on with the kinds of cases that you deal with family law. I love that. We don't have therapy dogs at home, but we have great dogs, and when I get home, I know how much more relaxed I am simply by being around our dogs. So really neat piece of your practice. What about Zionsville? What is it like to practice law in Zionsville, Indiana?
Zionsville's my hometown. You know that part.
I do know that about you.
I go into the drugstore and to pick up a prescription for my father, and the pharmacist knew what I was in there for before I got to the front of the line. People in Zionsville know each other and take care of each other.
And it's such a great community too, with all of the community events and activities that they do. And I grew up going to Lions Park for the fireworks and the fall festival and the parades that they do. And although they've moved the Christmas tree, because the Christmas tree used to be on Main Street, that's now on Main Street but off the street. It's not in the street anymore. But there's a real community that gets together and does activities. It's incredibly family friendly. But there's also other activities for people that don't have kids or empty nesters. And they recently, the parks department here, I've heard, my aunt lives in Zionsville, really close to one of the rail trails, and she says that it's just phenomenal, the rail trail system that Zionsville has going right now. And we typically walk in here in the Stonegate area, so we get with that. But I've heard the rail trails are they're excellent and provide really, she sees turtles and all kinds of wildlife.
Wow. This is terrific. I appreciate you letting me come in and talk to you today. So often with real estate is not just about finding the right house and 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, or a lot of houses like that, or whatever your descriptor is of what you want in a house. But it's also about a community, and a community is our local businesses and our restaurants and our establishments and our people. So I just felt like Bays Family Law was a great opportunity to showcase something unique that we have about our community. So thanks for letting me be here
Thank you for
today.
having us.
So.